The Minds, which previously known as Minds Shopping Fair, launched its new name and logo on 10th March 2010. Located in Seri Kembangan, it is considered to be the most visited landmark, with visitors mostly from Kajang, Bangi, Putrajaya and Seri Kembangan. As what we will be studying from this site is the abuse of information from signage and the thoughts and theories of why is the reason that people would do so. Information in its most restricted technical sense is a sequence of symbols that can be interpreted as a message. Information can be recorded as signs or transmitted as signals. Signage is a general term for any sort of graphic display intended to convey information to an audience. There are many different types of signage. Most modern signage relies on words, often in tandem with images. So the question is, why would people disobey the signage even though the signage are clearly stated? Most answers that we can conclude from surveys are that some people break the rules to get a thrill or show they are independent. For example, feeding the fishes is prohibited in the mines. The mines does have a stream of river filled with fishes going through the mall. The river is a point of attraction for customers. Those who are willing to pay are able to go along the river to a lake on a boat. Next to this river, there is a sign put up stating "No fish feeding." The sign appears on a solid metal plate mounted to the floor. The information from the sign tells us that anyone should not feed the fishes in the river. From what we have observed, this information is the most abused among all information distributed in the mines. Car parking is sometimes limited to the users. There is never enough parking to hold for a very large number of people. Despite having multiple floors for parking, there are still locations that are prohibited to park a vehicle. Normally, the kind of information given for this kind of space would appear as a no parking sign, crosshatches on the tar, or even road cones and many more. The human mind is unpredictable. Signage can be considered the ultimate guide for an individual. Not much of education is necessary. The only criteria an individual has to possess in understanding signage is the ability to read, see, and think logically. Although signage may be one of the biggest distributors of information, there are some information that is received would sometimes be banned and then altered. From this research, we can conclude that some signage is simple enough to be understood by the human mind as information. However, because of the human adaptation, the signage would not last for a very long time. The human adaptation is also known as common sense. The signage is understood by the humans. However, the common sense of the human mind adapts to the current situation, so in result, sometimes the information of signage will be abused.